I'll open our this, make it as a manual work. Okay, don't go for automation and everything. Then only you will realize what is the keyword ranking. See, for example, we are for each course we have chosen two keywords as a main keyword. Python training in Coimbatore, Python course in Coimbatore, or digital marketing training in Coimbatore, digital marketing course in Coimbatore. See, on March 2nd, this is the March 2nd, our ranking was 13 and 3. Same keyword, 10th March, after a week it was 14 8, 15 11, 24 12, 19 14, 26 12. So if you look at the graph, no, after March, second week, this gradually increases and we are not in the top 10. So we have still data for the last 1 year as well. Maybe if you look at here, before March, look at the keywords. We are mostly in top 10. Only after March, we are able to, we have moved to 20th, 10 and other things. So this we need to keep regularly monitoring our keywords and ranking. So we are monitoring till last week. For example, 8/6/26. 2 days before we have taken the data, and we are always in the second position. This particular thing we are in the sixth and seventh. What is the keyword? Full stack developer, full stack course. This we are in the top 10. And here we are in top 10, something like 13 and 14 row. Internship training, internship course. We are in the top 1 and top 2. And here 19th one is meta ad course in Quantum, that we are in the top 2. So like this, we need to identify the top 5 keywords what we have taken yesterday. And these keywords we should keep monitoring every Monday. On particular day, you keep it once in the 7 days. Then only we will realize, okay, this is keep up. 1 week if coming down means that is okay. But next week also coming up, we need to start looking at that one and we need to improve by doing some other factors to bring it.
Okay, once I'll create my website. Okay, but I need talking top 10. So I have to change the keywords every time and just we have to do some other.
See, keywords mostly you will not be changing.
So
Because
what I can do.
you need to do some both. That is like, that's what I'm going to teach. Okay. What you have to do to bring your website and to make consistent. Some update, that is the one simple word I can say. You need to update your website often. Frequently, you need to update by changing some content, changing some image, those things. Because Google always need fresh content. So you assume that you created on website 1 year before and you didn't modify for the next 1 year. Google will think, okay, this kind of an old website. But when you keep modifying, Google will identify, okay, fresh content they are giving. I need to give a fresh content to my visitors. So always update. Okay, Google has around 200 parameters to rank a particular website in Google. Okay. Or you can say number 1, number 2, number 3, whatever the ranking, it considers 200 parameters. So it is not like, okay, you have a website, I will rank in first page, second page. No. You have visitors, more number of visitors coming to your website, so I will rank in number 1. Your page speed is very high, that means fraction of seconds it is loading, so it is a good, so I will rank in first page. Your content is so good, every visitors are spending more time, so I will rank in number 1. So it is not like that, but these are the parameters contribute for your ranking. For example, I told you page speed. If your website is loading very good speed, then Google will consider your website to rank number 1. If your content is so good that visitors are spending more time by reading, researching, or whatever, then Google thinks like, oh, this website is very good, so I should rank in top 1. So like that, it will consider 200 parameters. Google will never tell these are my 200 parameters, okay, because that is their confidential algorithm. The core structure, how they are ranking, depends on the 200 parameters. And Google will never say, this is what I am considering, they will never say. But how we are telling is based on our experience, based on Google people coming out of the company and giving some seminars. And there are certain magazines, companies, they'll keep watching how this algorithm is keep getting updated. And Google will give recommended practices. Okay, you do this way, you do this way, you do this way, like that they keep telling recommended practices. So mostly if we follow the recommended practices, we are able to come. But Google never guarantee that if you do this one, you will be number one. If you do this one, you will be number two. They will never give you a guarantee to anyone. So when you are taking any SEO work from the client, you should never tell that I will rank in number one. It may be your confidence level, but if you say this to client, and if client knows some thing about SEO, he will definitely ignore you because no one can guarantee in the top one. Only your confidence you can say, but you cannot say logically I will bring your website in the top one because for some website it will consider page speed, for some website it will consider users based rating. So there are several factors. One factors may be good, but doesn't mean that we are in the top one. One factor, another company may be good, it may be not guaranteed that they will be in number one. So it is a permutation and computation. Like based on the parameters, they will give some ranking, and based on many other factors which we actually we do not know because no one will tell us. It will rank our website. So here we in SEO, we are going to study about 30 to 40 parameters which we can do it and we can bring our website in top 10. I'm not telling one, top 10 first page we can bring it using this 30 to 40 parameters. So when you want to do any SEO to your company or for any website, you can do with the 30 to 40 parameter itself. It may take 3 months. Once you start doing this SEO practices, it will take 3 months. So now we look at the parameters. What are the parameters? So before that, I want to tell SEO is on-page SEO plus off-page SEO. Now they brought another word, technical SEO. But previously it was not like no technical SEO. But now SEO means on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO. First, let us understand this concept. So SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. Okay, search engine optimization. That is the process of bringing our website to in top 10 for any particular query. This process is called SEO. Search engine. Whenever user inputs any query and that application gives relevant results, it is called search engine. ரெண்டு இருக்குமா சர்ச் என்ஜின் அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது யூசர் தேடுறப்ப அதுக்கேற்ற ரிசல்ட்ஸை கொடுக்கறது தான் சர்ச் என்ஜின். அதனால தான் நீங்கள் கூகுளில் எது தேடினாலும் அதுக்கேற்ற ரிசல்ட்ஸை கொடுக்கும். நீங்கள் இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் இன் கோயம்புத்தூர் நீங்கள் தேடுறப்ப வந்து அது இன்டீரியர் டெக்கரேட்டர்ஸ் கம்பெனி கொடுத்ததுன்னா மேட்ச் ஆகாது. அதனால தான் ரெலவெண்ட் இதை கொடுக்கறது தான் சர்ச் என்ஜின். ஸோ அந்த சர்ச் என்ஜினில் பர்டிகுலர்லி கூகுள் நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அந்த சர்ச் என்ஜினில் நம்மளோட வெப்சைட்டை டாப் 10ல கொண்டு வரணும் ஏதாவது ஒரு கீவேர்டு. இந்த ப்ராசஸ் தான் SEO, சர்ச் என்ஜின் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன். ஸோ இந்த சர்ச் என்ஜின் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன் கூகுள் எப்படி டிசைட் பண்ணுங்கிறத ஒரு 200 பேராமீட்டர்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி டிசைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா SEOனா இட் இஸ் அன் ஆன் பேஜ் SEO, ஆஃப் பேஜ் அண்ட் டெக்னிக்கல் SEOன்னு சொல்றோம். வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை ஆன் பேஜ் SEO மீன்ஸ் we are modifying or updating our website internally. It is called on page SEO, just in the layman perspective. So anything I am modifying inside my website, it is called on page SEO. That means I am changing my content, I am changing my image, I am changing the URL. So these are the things I am controlling inside my website. Off page SEO, that means I need to promote my website. Promote means place my website link in other website. Okay, for example, justdial.com. That is another website, not Appin technology website. But when appincoimbatore.com is placed inside the justdial.com, this is called off-page SEO. Okay, I am promoting or I am placing my website link in another website. Simple word. This is what this is called off-page SEO. Technical SEO, browser parameters, your server, page speed, all these things will come under technical SEO. So these 3 parameters contributes the definition of SEO. On-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO. So you have to do all the works by taking it seriously. It is not that, oh, I did on-page SEO, so I do not want to do off-page. Not like that. But still, even if you do not have an off-page SEO, or if you didn't do off-page SEO also, Google will rank. But again, that ranking may not be consistent. If some other company comes and do that off-page SEO, they may be overtake you. So there is no if the results are coming well without technical SEO, without on-page SEO, if your website is coming in top 10, that is fine. But to make consistent, or if some other companies are coming, and if you want to stand in top, then you have to do the SEO process. So on-page SEO, anything you do with simple terms. So I'm just going to google.com. Let's say digital. Uh, Let me go to that. What keyword I'm going to do SEO? Digital marketing course in Coimbatore. So I'm putting this keyword. Okay. These are the results coming. So the results may change from location to location, from desktop to mobile. Okay, it will keep changing. Even if you see in the mobile here, there may be a change in order. If you see the same keyword from Erode or Chennai, it may be a difference. So first one, what you are seeing is a sponsored, that is a paid ads. You need to pay Google and run this ad. Second one is Google My Business. If you are having a local business, this is very important. Okay, so we'll start with this one. Okay. Then we'll go to on-page SEO. So before going to on-page SEO, let's see Google My Business. So So This is the Google My Business part. This is the ad part, and this one is the organic search results, which will be seen by SEO. So before Google Ads is a separate topic, we will be learning, and for SEO, we will be studying both Google My Business and so this Google My Business nowadays is more important than SEO, I would say. If you are having any local business, forget online e-commerce, Amazon kind of a business, forget. If you're having a local business, then Google My Business will give you more business or leads compared to organic search results. The reason being, nowadays people are less interested in going to the website, reading the content, and then contacting us. Still, they are doing. I'm not saying they are not doing. Very less. Everyone wants some fast or quick answer. So I want to study digital marketing course, but I will not go and see who is the trainer, who is this, what is the syllabus, what is the fees, everything. I do not want to go to that website and spend some time and read, then analyze. I'm not doing that one. Immediately, I need to call a person. They need to tell what are the questions I'm going to ask. Even after students are contacting us, if we send many links or PDF file, anything, they will not read. Again, they will just come and ask us how to proceed. So this is the scenario of this one. So when you take cricket, earlier it was like a 5 days cricket, 6 days cricket, test match. Then that was changed to 5 days. Then 1 day match has come. Now 6 days match, 5 days match, 1 day match. Now cricket, what is going on now? T20. So T20 means within 3 hours the match will get over. Like going to a movie time, evening 7 o'clock if we go, 10 o'clock the cricket ends, or 4 o'clock if we go. It is concept of same as if watching a movie. Okay, because people love this. One compared to 1 day, they don't want to sit whole day and watch the cricket by going to the ground. I'm telling. So they want to see within 2 hours, 3 hours. So that fast it becomes. Same thing in students or everyone's perspective that they don't want to go and read much, understand logically, then contact them very less. Very less means still they are doing. I'm telling like compared to previous 5 years, now it became a less. So that is why I'm telling if you are having a local business, then Google My Business is the number one you need to concentrate. So what is my business? So Google, what it says, how the concept came is like assume that there is a tea shop in this road in our area. There is no tea shop. That tea shop daily 500 people are coming, having a tea, vada, bonda, bhaji, whatever they want. They are just eating and going. Daily 500 means is assume monthly 15,000 footfalls. People are coming here. And one of the guy after going to Mumbai, out of that 500, he wants to contact that tea shop. I'm telling like 10 years before, 15 years before this one. So he could not able to find in Google. He is just searching tea shop in Ramnagar, Sengupta Street. He could not able to find out. Why? But he was searching like Appin technology, he is able to find out. Or searching for digital marketing course, he has find out able in Google. But for the tea shop, he is unable to find out. Imagine what could be reason.
Very small.
Tea shop is very small.
Small shop is not coming that time.
Okay, because of the small shop,
Not coming.
no, because of the small shop,
Yeah.
it is not coming in Google.
You are talking about 10 and 15 years before.
15 years before.
Yeah. Tea shop is already small. That's why.
So very small, it is not come in Google. Any other
I think
answer?
we don't know about very much. About
See, you try to answer. It is not like an interview or something. I'm not going to evaluate anyone. Then only we'll get many answers. That's what I'm telling you. I love people answering wrong. I don't want people answer correct because you know already. So you came here only to learn more. That means you will not be knowing. So nothing wrong if you are telling answer is. I mean, if your answer is wrong, but keep answering. அதாவது 15 வருஷம் முன்னாடி நான் சொல்றேன், டெய்லியும் 500 பீப்புள் வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. அந்த டீ ஷாப்ல இருந்து ஒருத்தர் மும்பை போறாரு, அங்கிருந்து தேடுறாரு கூகுள்ல டீ ஷாப் இன் ராம்நகர், இந்த கடையை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு பாக்குறாரு. கான்டாக்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் ஏதோ கான்டாக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு கூகுள்ல எதுவும் வரமாட்டேங்குது. ஏன் அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். அவர் வந்து ஸ்மாலா இருக்கிறதுனால வரல அப்படிங்கிறாரு. டீ ஷாப் வந்து ஸ்மால் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால. வேற என்ன ரீசனா இருக்கும்? ஏன் கூகுள்ல வரல? கோர்ஸ் தான்.
15 years before, under people say won't use the internet as much. Now we are using. So the e-shopper may not be updating his profile or open his Google account and give advertisements on only because of technology.
This is kind of a one valid answer. Okay, I understand tea shop is small, but there may be a small office also, but it may come in Google. The reason being, the people are not much aware of internet, and the tea shop owners don't have any idea about what is website, what is Google, how to put our website in that Google or contact it. They never know. Only those who are in IT, mostly in IT, they know how the Google works, and they just, and because internet was very costly before 2014, internet was 2 GB per month. Now we are using daily 2 GB. That was 2 GB entire month we are using. So people will never use Google to search anything. But now what we are seeing, coffee shop near me. Near me already we will be knowing, or we'll ask someone to go. But nowadays everything we are using Google because internet is that much less cost for us. So during that time, people will use only for some urgency, or only the people know about Google will start using. So this tea shop owner, assuming that he may be less educated, he doesn't know about internet and other things, so he do not publish his tea shop details in the Google. But Google understand why I need to ignore, because the tea shop is very famous. And if someone is asking for the tea shop, if I am not able to give, that means Google is not able to give the answer, then Google is nothing for them. What Google thinks is like, whatever they look for, I need to give some answers. So Google realizes, okay, small business, your point, small business, less internet access, or for this kind of a business with less internet access will not come in Google unless Google takes some steps. So what they did is, because it is a famous, 500 people are coming, and if Google is unable to answer them what is the contact details, then it will ashamed. So what they did is they appoint a marketing team, outsourcing team. They gave this tag. The people, a BDE will go to each tea shop, bouquet shop, what are the shops, small business. They will go and take a note. Who is the owner? What is the contact number? Is the delivery they are giving? What are the products? What are the services? Where they are located, address, everything they will take, and they will go and upload in Google server. So Google thought like, okay, these people are not in IT. They do not know what is SEO, ranking parameters, but still they want to appear. So that's the concept like Google My Business came. So once the large data flows in Google, even the government of India does not have that much details. Government of India has only registered companies. But Google, what they did is they just spend time in observing what are all the business available, informal business. A shoe repair shop will be there. They will not registered in government. But Google knows there is a shop here. So because of the large database, they started this work and did the work. Now, when they realized, IT people realized, okay, whatever they do, they are coming one step above SEO. So we should also do that one. Then all the IT companies or IT related people also start using. Non-IT people also started using with the help of Google and My Business concept here. Now Google is not doing this outsourcing work. Even the tea shop owner, he has a son or daughter, or he will tell a neighbor person, register Google My Business for me. I want to get a calls. If you find any business do not have Google My Business, you can approach as a freelancing, telling that you will do that work. Not only registering, you will keep updating, you will keep bringing that in the top 10. So that's how Google My Business came. and there are n number of, when you search Coimbatore, okay, so all the address whatever it's coming over here will be based on Coimbatore. So there are, if you go to more places, there are, here also sponsored they are coming. Look at in Google My Business also sponsored there. So all the companies are coming here. This is presentation next. Okay. I don't know, they changed recently. There should be some pagination. Next, it should go, but here it's not going to the next. Normally, there will be around 200 companies teaching digital marketing course, and being in top 3 adds value. Here also, some people may not go to more places to find out other companies and call. So, if you are in the top 3, there is more chance of getting calls. So, how to bring our company in the top 3, that we are going to study now. Before that, we will see how to register in that one. Just type Google My Business or GMB. It will ask you to sign in. So there are some companies already registered. So I'm just going to add business, add single business. See, when you're logging as a new one, you will not see this one. You directly go here. When you log in, you will start here. When you type Google My Business in Google, it will ask you to sign in. If already signed in, your email ID is there, then you will get this one. You can try registering some company name, then you can tell it also. For practice, I'm telling you need to register on Google My Business and check with a different address. Don't use the same address. Some address your home or not home, something else you can do. So what is the business name? Raja Digital Marketing. So whether it's asking whether this is the same one you are talking about, I'm telling create a business name. What is the category? Category we need to select from the list. So is an education, office and industrial, religion, hotels and lodging, services. So agency, services, beauty, marketing, professional services, advertising agency, internet marketing service. We can choose marketing agency. We can choose. See, we can choose more than one category. I'll check digital marketing. Anything is there? Digital. There is no digital marketing service. So then I'll type marketing. So you can take marketing agency. This market researches. So I'll take marketing agency. Internet means only related to digital. Marketing means even newspaper, TV, everything will come. I'll take internet marketing. You can change and later, add later. More. Do you want? See, this is I'm showing you how to register in Google My Business. So, do you want to add location customers can visit, like a store or office? If you want to add an address, sorry, location to appear in map, you should select yes. Because Appin technology or digital marketing, anything the customer will visit. Where the customers will not visit, like if you are an Amazon-like company, the customer will not visit your place. Okay. For in that case, you can select no. Enter your business address. I'm just giving some fake address because I'm going to delete this. Tamil Nadu. It's asking whether any one of listed business belongs to me. I said no. Yes, correct. So this is the map it's showing, like what are the address I have chosen. In Ramnagar, it is showing. So I'll just say this, or you can adjust it. Select adjust, move here and there. If the location is not perfect, you can adjust the move. Then say that, or reset to the wall door. So this is something gave based on the address what we are given in the previous step. So based on the address, the map is coming here, and as I said, adjust. You can just move one place wherever you want, or just reset to the old one. Get done. Confirm. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? If I'm a restaurant or a courier agency, I will provide deliveries. Or home and office visit. Office visit, yes. Home and office visit, sometimes tuition center, physiotherapist, they will go to home, or the tuitions, everything will happen at home. I'll say yes. Sorry, no. Office visit means like we go to the taking the tuition, or we go to customer place for delivering restaurant or anything like that. For in our case, we are not going there to the customer place. Got it? Say either customer will visit, three options. Customer will visit our office. Customer will not visit our office. We will go to the customer place. For taking tuition, you assume. We will go to the school students and we are taking the tuitions. Physiotherapists go to the patient home and they will do that service. Restaurant people delivery. These are the people who will go to their place. Customers will come here, like Appin technology, you people are coming here. Customer will never come. That is an e-commerce business. These three options. Here, for according to agency, we are not going there to the customer place. See, phone number, it is a mandatory one because the customer need to call. Sorry, I'm wrong. Phone number and website is not mandatory because that's what I'm selling. If you are a tea shop, earlier they may not be having a phone or they may not having a website because to maintain a website it needs some money. So those are things optional. So skip, there is option. But here you can add a phone number, you can add a website, you can add a chat, either WhatsApp chat or something. If you give your WhatsApp chat, then the customer may talk to you directly. If you look at Appin technology, we have given this app WhatsApp. So the customer may chat with us, the customer may call us, the customer may go to our website. So I'm just saying skip for this reason because to start verification, enter your phone number, then the verification will do. See, there are three type of verification, three or four types. One is when your business registering as a new one. Sometimes the Google will verify through OTP. Sometimes you need to upload a video by taking a video of your cabin, any name board, the road, your name board, the street name, anything. All these things you need to take and upload directly. Um, that is one way of verification. Third way, Google will come and video call and they'll ask you to show certain things, your visiting card, or because they want to verify there is a business running here. Because normally what they'll do is I'm not in Delhi, sitting in Delhi, but I'll create a Google My Business in Delhi some address. What will happen? Someone is searching in Delhi for digital marketing course, my website may appear or my business details will appear. So from there, I'll get traffic to my website. Then I'll convince for an online training. But Google does not want to do that one. You should have a physical office there. If you are a physical office, they will either ask you to upload a video or they will come in a video call or OTP, a registered post. They will send on code via registered post, and you need to be there at that address to collect that registered post. Then you need to enter the code to get verified. So these are the certain options they are using. So now for me it is asking for phone number verification. I said verify later. Then it's asking what are my services in the category I selected, internet marketing. I will be doing branding, digital marketing, business to business, something and all. Still that. So, or you can skip as of now, but I'm not doing that one. Next. I need to mention all my business hours. This is very, very important because when the customer wants to visit directly, even we might have seen in Google when we are searching for any company, we'll look at the opening hours or closing hours. If you're going to a temple anywhere, there you can sometimes some temples are 24 hours, some temples are specific hours. So you will be seeing the opening hours and closing hours like that. This is very important. You need to mention. Business description within 750 words. What is your business? See, this description is very important. One is name, your name, company name. What people do in the company name is they are given some extra characters. So what I'll do is Raja Digital Marketing Agency, then comma or some pipe symbol, then SEO, branding, social media ads. All my services I'll put in the name. So when someone searches for social media ads, since that it is appearing in the name section, Google will give some importance. Because when someone is searching, it is already business name itself SEO. So it will give priority and bring it in the top 3. But that way it is not recommended. Don't do like that way. Even Google is now deleting all those things and giving only name section for that one. So only give your name in the name section. And don't keep changing offer. Okay. ரொம்ப அதிகமாக நீங்கள் அதை மாற்றிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா லாக் பண்ணிடுவாங்க ப்ரொஃபைலில். ஸோ லாக் பண்ணிட்டா திருப்பி கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம், வேறு அட்ரஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியும். And if already there are some reviews, then that will also you will end up in losing. So don't change the name frequently. Once in a while do that one. But description also you should have all your keywords. See, for example, I am running a digital marketing agency. So for this you can get a help from ChatGPT. So I'm going to I'll use this plot. I suggest you also use this. And just give me expert for larger SEO based description. My keywords are, I'm just putting training keywords I'll put, okay. Or I'll because it's not a training. My keywords are digital marketing services, for example, SEO. I'm asking help from Claude AI to create a 750 words description, SEO based. That's what important point. So let's see how it creates. So 750 words. 619 India. Roger Digital Marketing is a leading provider of digital marketing services in Coimbatore, helping business grow online with measurable results. We specialize in SEO services in Coimbatore, boosting your Google ranking and driving our knowledge and powerful social media marketing in Coimbatore. So the keyword is coming. That's what I want to mention. So in the description, the keyword should appear. So then only when someone searches for digital marketing services in Coimbatore, so it will look for GMP description. And if the description matches the user query, then Google will give some priority for us. From paid ads and that, all these things it is. Go to next. It is asking for photos, storefront photos. Because photos are very important. Internal photo, external photo, everything you need to do. Advertise, claim some offer. Redeem will be visible only after verification. So now I have completed this one. So it depends on the category, the inside menus may change. If you are choosing a restaurant as a category, that may be related to menu and all. So whatever seen will not be same for all categories. So now these are the options it came: profile, reviews, photos, posts, performance, advertise, bookings, Q&A. So what it says like you need to get verified. So it is asked for my phone number. So which when you are doing, you can give it and check, or you can leave it as it is. If you are coming with this process itself, it is okay. So I'll just go and delete. Let's run. So remove business profile. I'm just removing. You have to be very careful because other profiles do not get removed. So I showed how to create by giving a name, category, office hours, map address, whether you will visit or not, then description, services, all these things we added. So this is how you can able to create a Google My Business profile. Now I'll show you our profile. Normally they are not given any separate login for Google My Business. Whatever the email ID you offer, you log in, just go to Google search alone. Appin, you give your company name. So they are given the option to edit in two areas. One is through search and another is through Google Maps. So either in Google Maps you type your company name, or in search you type in your company name. If the ID matches, see I already registered using this ID. So when ID matches, you will get this edit option. Same thing when I search in a different, let's say guest window. Here also the company details coming, but there is no edit option because I didn't sign in using any ID. If you sign in, because I have not used any email ID. But same this keyword Appin technology pointer, when I give here, I signed in and I'm getting this edit option. So here only you can go and edit all this one. There is no separate login for that one. Earlier there was a separate login, now it is not. Yeah. Okay. Doubt on the calendar. பண்ணணும், அதுதான் பண்ணணும். இப்போ நான் வந்து சும்மா டெமோ காமிச்சுங்காட்டி அந்த இடத்துல நான் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர்லாம் எதுவும் போடல. பட் நீங்கள் ரியலாக பண்ணீங்கன்னா வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் தான் போடணும். இப்போ நான் இது வந்து இதுதான் ரியலாக நம்மளோட ப்ரொஃபைல். இதில் நாங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறத காமிக்கிறேன். அப்படியே வந்து சும்மா அந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் என்னென்ன இருக்குது நீங்கள் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுன்னு காமிக்கிறேன். நான் பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் அது வரும், இல்லாட்டி வராது. So when you type Appin Technology Coimbatore and the same login ID used for registration, then you will get this edit option. So it's very important. You can edit the profile. There are reviews. You can read, reply. The photos you can upload new photos. Post you can put every day on new post some update. Performance, you see our performance, website performance, advertise, some QR code, edit product, edit service. See, when I created now, services was there, no product, correct? The new one when I'm showing 10 minutes before, it asks only for what are the services you are providing. So that's what it keeps changing based on the categories. Bookings, ask for review, profile. So first we'll see edit profile. So what is the business name is Appin Technology Coimbatore. So don't change. I'll be giving access to these two people, but don't change the business name or not. Okay, just for look, you just only for view I'm giving. Don't change it. So company name is Appin Technology Coimbatore. Business category. I have added more than one category. Software Training Institute is my primary category because Appin Technology is a software training institute. That was my primary. Also, I have added another categories: training center, career and guidance service, educational institution, student career counseling center. So, because sometimes Google will look for the category also. When someone is searching for a particular keyword, so it will look for the description, services, whether we are providing related to that keyword, and it also look which category that keyword belongs to. So sometimes it may belongs to more than one category. So that's why we have added more than one thing. And career guidance service means like if someone wants some career guidance, they will not be directly joining our course. But we are also doing that service. When someone needs some career guidance, they will approach us. So I have given that also another category. But primary is software training institute. Description, again like 750 words, we have given the description. When you look at the description, you can see we are an ISO certified, startup in the recognized company, Python course in Coimbatore, Java course in Coimbatore, full stack development, data science course in Coimbatore, digital marketing course in Coimbatore, internship. So all my important services or product, I gave it in the description. That's why like whenever someone is searching for digital marketing course in Coimbatore, I had given this keyword here, digital marketing course in Coimbatore. So Google will look for description for how it is matching. Again, this is not only parameter to bring our company in top 3. This is one of the parameters. So in description of the Google My Business, definitely all your services should be there with the keyword. Then why you choose Appin Technology? Our trustable factors, Google reviews, Just Tell reviews, and ask for a free demo class. So this is the description. Opening date 27 March, something about contact numbers. See, nowadays who are registering My Business, contact number is not getting updated easily. So most of the 90% you need to contact Google, tell about this is your contact number. If you are unable to verify, then they will do the verification. So next one is chat. You asked me, like how without number we are giving. We are giving the link, chat link we are given. Okay. So chat link we are given means if you go to in your mobile, if you go to Appin Technology like this, you will see that option. There you will get like chat option. So when you click the chat option, directly you can chat with our AI WhatsApp. We have implemented AI in that one. So 24/7 you will get a reply answer as if some human is talking to you. Maybe you can check that one if you want. So that number we are given. This is our AI WhatsApp number. Website, we are given our website. Start name, location, access, our map and everything we gave. Service area, opening hours we have mentioned, very, very important. These are some, what are the options, no? You can just see the total ad, like parking, free parking, street parking, etc. So, any appointment is required to visit? No, nothing is required. So, this is the starting of the registration of the Google My Business and editing the profile, or how you want your profile. Still, there are a couple of things available, which will be teaching, and then you will get the complete knowledge of Google My Business. So this is part of SEO, even though it is a kind of slightly different module. This is very, very important. I'll just finish up with one option. Just go to performance. I'll show you the importance. You will look at it. Let's say May month. Okay. Last month. You know how many calls we have received? 567 calls we have received. That means someone is calling our number for enquiry. So 567, you eliminate 20% as a junk lead or repeated calls or for interview any other person they might call. 100 leads if you ignore 20%. Still 550 leads will be there. So 450 enquiries. This 450 are inquiring about our product services. As I told yesterday, what is the cost per lead? 200 rupees. You multiply it by 450. 10,000, 15,000 we are saving. It's not like 10,000, 15,000, but when it converted as a course, how much revenue we are generating because of this profile. So that's why even in going to the website, people filling the data, we are not received this much. In Google My Business, we have received it. It's also a season time. Only May, June we will be receiving like that. When you take last 6 months data will be there. January you see 100 something you will be receiving. 200 let's say. But in May month 567 we receive. So Google My Business, very important one. And to bring our website, okay, let's keep studying that.